It's me again, and I'm coming to you with a video. Actually, it's a Bible journaling video, and as you can see, I have my faithful one right here. This is the one that I started out with, my Inspire Bible. You can see some of the pages. I have a video about this, so I'm not going to go through that. But I wanted to do a video to show the new Bibles that I have. And that's the first one that started it all. This one is the next one. And this one is the Inspire Praise Bible. Now, I have done a few pages in this one. I haven't done a whole lot, and it's a very nice Bible. Trying to see if I can find some pages that I've done. Now, these are the pre-printed pages. These are already done. I didn't do that. Here's one. And I kind of got away from Bible journaling a little bit. As you know, I haven't done a Bible journaling video in a long time. But I feel like my passion for it is coming back again. So, I thank God for that. But like I said, I think this is a pre-printed page. I haven't done a lot of pages in this Bible. Can't seem to find them right now. So anyway, I just want to show you that one. And here's the Inspire. It's another Inspire Praise Bible. And I got this one because of this. It's so beautiful. And yeah, I like that. It's really nice. Beautiful. I have not done, this is all I think I've done in this Bible. Yeah, and that. Haven't really done a lot in this one. It's pretty much the same as the other one, I think. But these are such gorgeous Bibles. And I wanted to use, I use this one. This is the one I use in church. One of the ones that I use. And it's the NLT. Okay. And I wanted to say that I do have a lot. I have this one. This is my New King James. It's a gorgeous. And I have this one, lavender. And it's my King James Easy Reader, which I like. Really nice. Beautiful Bible. And I have this one. This is a bigger version. And it is also King James Easy Reader. Y'all excuse my nails, you know. Gonna go in some. Okay, that's that one. All right. Now I want you you've seen it in a older video. It's the Psalms, Inspire Psalms book. It's a coloring. You can color the pages in it. Go down so you can see. I don't want it to be too Okay. I have that. Also have this one. This is Proverbs. I have not done any coloring. I think I did a little bit. No, actually I didn't. I don't think I did. It's this one that I did some coloring in. I did a little bit of that. And I haven't done anything else in here. I really do need to do a page or something, do part of a page or something. I mostly like to do the words that can be colored. I just saw one that I really would like. This one I'd like to get a hold of. I like that one. That one would be nice. There's a lot of nice pages to be done. And so, which is the Illustrated Faith, Be Bold. And it's, you know, you put it in between your page when you get ready to gesso your page and color your page. And I had to get another one because, like I said, I've been out of doing, out of Bible journaling for a while. And I just didn't have a desire to do it. Desire's coming back. And so I had to reorder one because, lo and behold, since I haven't been journaling, I have no idea where a lot of my other journaling stuff got to. I don't know what I do. This Bible that I have, the Geneva Bible. And I only got it for like a collector because I like to see the way that I'm going to zoom in so you can see some. If you'll see how it was written. The words were written in that time. I haven't had a chance to really go through this Bible. I just wanted it to, for, you know, to collect. It's not like I'll be using it on Sunday or anything like that. I just want to set it up so you could see how they spell words and stuff like that. Okay. Well, I do believe that that's all. I mean, I have a lot more Bibles. Sorry, my camera just cut out on me. I don't know. It's never done that before. I don't know what's going on with this stupid camera. Stupid phone. This one is the 1 Year Chronological Bible. Now, I have this Bible in my car that I listen to. I think it's on MP3. I got this one where I can listen to it, and I also have it on. I have Fire TV on two of my televisions, and so I also have this Bible on there, so I can at night, like when I go to sleep, instead of listening to the television, I usually turn the Bible on and just let that play, you know, in the background, and I sleep like that. Now, I don't do it every night because some nights I doze off before I get a chance to get around to it. And I really enjoy this. It's chronological and it's 1 year format. I don't do the 1 year, but I enjoy the chronological part. All right. Okay. Now, this is another Bible that I've got. I'm not opening this because I purchased this as a gift for someone else, but it's the 1611 edition of the King James Version of the Bible. I'm sorry that you have, but I have one of these that I purchased a while back, and just to show a little bit of how different. I know mine is broke in the middle. But look at how they spelled the words. The U and the V are the opposite of each other in these books. See how they spell unlawful, VNLAW. I mean, it's an awesome Bible. It's just like a keepsake. I don't use this. I don't take this Bible to church. It's just like a keepsake Bible. I just want to give you a little glance at that Bible because I am, like I said, giving it away as a gift to someone. And so I just wanted you to be able to see that. Okay. Okay. Here are some of the gel pens that I got in from Amazon. And there are 160 colors. And it comes in this. I have started to put them in this container, as you see, but I thought I needed to do a video before I got them all in this. And it comes like this. And as you can see, you see the other side of the colors. And then it comes here. It comes in 4 big sheets of pens. As you can see, I'm trying not to. My Bible journaling. And I just wanted you to see how they look.